Today I am in Liverpool. I'm so excited because I'm going in Anfield, Liverpool and Leicester City or Leicester City. They playing tonight, and we are going to explore a lot of nice food around the Anfield. The weather is not good because, as you can see, it's so foggy and it's cold. I just parked my car around there. I was lucky and I got a free parking. It's my first time to come in Anfield to explore some food around the Anfield because I have done all Trafford food tour and then we done Etihad Man City Stadium. This is our third famous stadium food tour. I think this is a fish and chips, yeah, burgers. Around here is a lot of food trucks, and this is again just one parking. You can park your car, but if you are coming to watch a football, and then again in here we have a burger, sausage. Let me see how much is it. Burger is a £6, the cheeseburger, bacon cheese, and then you can see fish and chips. It's seriously cold. My finger is just freezing, seriously freezing and foggy. And here we are, Anfield Stadium. I think after 3 hours the game starts. I came so early to do some food tour around this stadium. And in here again we have a burgers and fries. Another good things for the Liverpool supporter, Man City and Everton won once, and I think the Man City in big trouble in this year. And you can see on another side we have I think 3 or 4 food trucks. Let's go and see what type of the food they have. I can see there is a pizza, there is a fish and chips, and it's a bit dangerous to cross the road. Traffic badly. And we have one fish and chips in here, and then again we have another pizza in here. And then we have a bar where we can buy drinks, I think hot drinks and cold drinks. We have a margarita and salami, barbecue chicken. The slice of the pizza, again we have a margarita pizza 220, salami pizza 250, barbecue chicken 250. Hello mate, you have a slice of pizza? Yeah. Yeah, can I have a, what do you have in here? Barbecue chicken, please. Yeah, yeah, a slice. No, thank you so much. How much is it? Yeah. Over there is 250. In here 280. Thank you so much. Sure.
Full of sauce, just one piece of the chicken, £2.80 for this pizza slice.
Sweet barbecue. Chicken so soft. Just one piece of the chicken. All £2.80. And this was our first food in Anfield. One slice, a small slice. It costs £2.80. It's a little bit expensive pizza. They call tasty fish and chips. The price is seriously good. We have a fish and chips, and the mashy peas is cost just £8 50, and just the chips is cost £3. Gravy and curry £1. Mashy peas £1. Is a fish and chips and mashy peas £8 50? Yeah. Okay. Can I have that one, please? For the cutlery, we're going in this orange container over here. This is our £8 50 fish and chips. We have a small piece of the fish, and then we have some chips, and then on the side we have a mashed peas. It's a frozen fish, you can say, and but it's crunchy, seriously, nice, crunchy, and the chips is a fresh chips with some mashed peas. Mashed pea is not tasty at all. Seriously, I can show you guys. Look at this. This mashed peas. It's so watery and no flavor. Seriously, because I think it's too much water in it. But chips is good, nice, fresh chips. And now it's time to try our fish. I think it's the cod and oily outside, crispy. Look at this fish. I think it's the ready one, they buy. This is small with fish in it. Butter is so thick and outside crispy and so crunchy. This is the small fish. Now it's time to try with the peas. Butter is crunchy, no flavor in it, and the fish has again no flavor. Mashed pea has no flavor, just the chips. It's cost £8 50. And in here, you can see all around in here is the food vendors and another burgers over there. On another side, you can see it's so foggy, but you can't see properly. I think they sell hot dog and burgers. I hope I can find at least one nice food in here. last time on Etihad Stadium. Seriously, I enjoyed the food. Food was nice and good quality of the food. In here, two food we try it. Pizza slice is small, so expensive. Fish and chips so bad. And on another side, in here as well, again fish and chips. We have a fish and chips. I think in half an hour game starts and the busy round in here. I'm fancy with the hot dog. Let's go try one hot dog. What they call hot dogs and fries. Hello, Mada. Can I have hot dogs, please? How much is it? How much is it? Yeah, please. Can I have it? What do you call that one?
Spicy Mexican.
Spicy Mexican.
Not that spicy.
Oh yeah, okay, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Hot spicy Mexican hot dog. Look at this one. It's so saucy, and there is some piece of the peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, and then there is a bacon as well. It smells nice. I paid £6 for this. Here we are. Seriously, the smell is nice. I like the smell. Delicious hot dog. And I think we have a sweet chili sauce. Look at this one. The hot dog is so juicy. And then we have a sweet chili sauce. I really like it. You know, I paid £6 for this. I'm not saying it's expensive, but the combination is nice. Nice flavor. I'm enjoying it. Finally, we got a nice food in Anfield. Hot dog is fresh, juicy. Sauce is a little bit spicy, and then we have some green peppers, yellow peppers. Again, it's fresh. I really like the fresh food. When you are coming to Anfield, you want to pay and you want to enjoy. Fish and chips, I paid. I didn't really enjoy it, and this one I paid £6. I'm enjoying, and it looks fresh, looks healthy. Burgers in here, and I'm going to try ultimate cheeseburger. And you can see, guys, Anfield over there. Right now it's I think it's 5:15, but busy around in here. And another food I can see they call home baked. Let's go try that home baked. Maybe I changed my mind from burger to home baked. Yeah, let's go explore. Let's go to see what home baked food we have in here. Home baked food is a dessert we have in here. I changed my mind from burger to home baked. Look like everything home cooked or home baked, desserts and some pies.
It's a traditional food of the Liverpool, and in here we have a variety of the scouts, mushroom brandy, vegetarian scouts, chicken, and scouts. It smell aroma. It's so good.
Hi, can I have a mashi and a brandy, please? And then can I have this uh, Rocky Road? And then one coffee as well, please. The sweets is nice and price seriously nice. I like it. This is our mushroom and brandy. The smell nice, nice pastry, and seriously price is good. I paid I think £4 for this and £2 50 for nice piece of the dessert, and I think £2 for the espresso. I like the price, and now it's time to see the quality. It's a homemade. Wow, it's cooked nice. It's baked very well. It's a crispy and soft. Look at this one. I want to show you guys. It's my first time.
It's so spongy and crispy outside, a lot of mushroom and thick sauce. Smell aroma amazing, earthy smell, thick sauce.
Mm, unbelievable tasty. So delicious. Little bit sour, sweet, little bit salty as well. But I can tell you guys, the combination of the flavor and texture is top level. I am surprised with this because I was going to try a burger. Then when I saw this home baked, I just changed my mind. I came on this side and I ordered three of them. Three of them is cost £9, but I can tell you guys, it's fresh, it's nice, it's full of flavor, and I can guarantee you, you will enjoy it.
They call Rocky Road. It's a traditional dessert in Liverpool and it's so sweet. Top you have a marshmallow, nuts and chocolate.
It's one of the best desserts I have ever tried. It's sweet and crunchy and flavor of the chocolate. I love it. If you are coming in Anfield, come here and try this. They call home baked. Seriously, it's worth to come here and try this. It's a kind of everything they have. They have a dessert, they have a food, and the pies, everything. I enjoy it. I paid £9 and I have my espresso. I was going to try a burger, that burger, and when I saw this home baked, I came in, and when I saw it's full of people, I tried a nice, it's a type of pie, and then dessert with this espresso. I paid £9. Seriously, I'm happy with the price. I'm happy with the quality of the food I got in here. Today I came in Anfield to explore some nice and delicious food around this historical and famous stadium in the world. We started with the small piece of the pizza, then we tried the fish and chips, then we tried the hot dog, and then finally we tried some home baked nice pastry. The food in here is not too bad, but some of them they are selling really bad food. For example, our pizza was so small and expensive. Then fish and chips, seriously, so expensive and not healthy food. Then finally we tried hot dog. Was I really like it. I enjoy it. And my favorite goes, they call home baked community bakery. Seriously, I enjoy it. I paid £9 for three items. All three was seriously top level, and I recommend this place. If you are coming in Anfield, try this place.